Yeah, so a dehumidifier alone will not kill mold in a crawl space. A dehumidifier's number one function is to remove the ambient moisture that's in the air. Mold needs moisture to grow. So a dehumidifier keeps mold from coming back, along with other things, depending on what's going on in a crawl space or a basement. But you still have to physically remove what mold is in the crawl space before you can set that dehumidifier up. Just setting up a dehumidifier alone will not take care of any mold that's currently in that crawl space. But after the mold is physically removed, a lot of the protocols call for source removal. Once that's completed, then the dehumidifier is what keeps the mold from coming back in the future.